Tho, y thesa fi op ma the reiddiw chwi temic and hweddol dro the non-Hodgkin lymphoma ha chemosalmont. Ha mi a fin reiddiw chwi blas a ingith a chemosalmont in film ma. Residim daleth orth and daleth the weir mis gortherin mi rig heavy gil and mis and dolan no woddo der belwallach warlinen in Kernoak. Mes and mis kins mi a ros and message ma. Del wallachwi a thesovi o talith o dichtians chemo. Speak the hedna in ma hwath mer in dolan and mis ma. Hag orth dueth chemo salmont me a sonus and cloch in Headland units in Clav G Trelisk. Osteria me the warfenna o salmont. Ring my bell, ring my bell. Nins you hedna dueth and whethel if there's a moy and no other ma o fesloan. Nebis seithinio kins nadelic, there's a no other ros them me the vos in remission. Tho me a spenus nadelic fesloan ganso mam kin thessa covid warnan ni agandeu. Was a nadelic res o them daletho o ober arta hagil taclo kernoak hag taclo eril. Bisagins a thessa nebis pines o tohuelas them. Hag a tho meeth and clavg hag a leveris them bos and canker de huelas. Ag a tho res o them re and no woddo ma der and mis arta. Well, henu all rag mis whevra hagin where henu all biz the than have and skila ew nevitha v o kill and mis arta biz than have dreffen boss and canker re the whellas them ha resi them cavos moya chemo salmont tho beavin leverel miraz ha duganes biz than pris na. Tho lemon a thesovi o kill chemo salmont arta nebis deference the weir hag meavin re the uqui neb blas and pith thesovi o kill in Irma the sawya o beonans the weir ag Toma and Hweddel.
Hi there, I'm Michelle, Matthew's SAC nurse today, and I'll be looking after him throughout today when he's having his first treatment. Well, he has had this treatment before, but this is first RGDP treatment. So there's quite a few tablets and different drugs to talk about today. So it's quite a lot for Matthew to take on board. So he can ask me lots of questions anytime he likes, and we can go over things again because, like I said, it's a lot of information. But we're here to support him, and hopefully he'll, have a pleasant experience, and we can help him, make him feel relaxed and reassured.
Missing da. Missing Thesan V o Koska waren gweli dydd. Gweli Genev Koska waren gweli dydd in Irma. And mitten ma skila rag cloch seni ena. Hweir in mitten ew. Ag heddiw yw dydd chemo. Yeah, dydd chemo yw hag fydd fi o spenna all yn jaith the glavchi Trelisk ag cafos nesa kilch chemo me fi'n ryddiw chwi and hweddel hani o mors. So kins a tra yw res ddim the will Eva mir a dhawr Martesan Trefin to Dora Mitin Ma. Kinsa Skila heddiw yw bos cannula fitis ddymbrech. Skila rag yn cannula yw cymeras gŵls rag prefi ffalliw yn gŵls ag yn wedd dres yn jith and cannula yw defnyddus the wara and deverans inov ag yma lies meddigneth the wara inov dres yn jith atho gwel yw cafos un tiller rag gorahedna in brech. So mira dhawr yn Kinsale ag yn wedd meal eva te kefriz and you gwel as dower drug you genef gwel you genef te. So Kinsatra golchi Nuravi golchi a viragochwi drug you genef. So golchians grez hag Kinsatra yw cymeris o Felenigio. So yma un Belenig rag letia pithiw Das Warren's Trink in Saesneg acid reflux. Ha Tair Philenic Moi Navinavi Laveral Pithinzi Bitagins Resu them Agahameras Pubdith Onan Deo Tree ag Ethesophi o Quisca Hebma Elewch wi Gweles Hedna a tho Resu ddim gweith an cartedno ma genna fi olyntermin ha mi in mes few carten Guarnian's sepsis. I thought Griskis drove them codna. So Pries Hansel eu lemon hag ima mam o cool Skype genevi and mitten ma rag Hansel. Tho thesavi o Cortos he gallo Nebman is and lemon.
Hello, my darling.
Hello, good morning.
I'm asleep, all right?
Yes, I'm filming this bit at the moment on my camera because I'm filming this bit on my camera at the moment because I'm doing a film today of my chemotherapy day, but it's in Cornish, all of this. I'm doing it for maybe the Celtic Film Festival, who knows. So can I just get you to say Mitin Da?
Mitin Da.
Mitin Da this. So, Pries yw Gaza, Diba, Orangi, Ha Mors, Lyn Clavgi, Rag Chemo, ag y fifth Simon Burt, Orth O Hameres, Ha Cameras the Glavgi, and Mitin Ma, and the Bon in the Ra O Hameres, Ha Dreathen Tre Arta in Gorthua. So, Pries Mors. Hag Thomas Simon, old Camaras, heddiw, o Mors the Glavgi gan Simon. So, Fesovi Lemon in Hins, the Glavg Trelisk, Fesovi O'Quiska Mask, Dreffen Bos Edom, Dreffen Bos Edom Vos Sallow, Hag Mivin Disquithers the Hui Oluia, Thomas Simon Burt, Borda, Ever War Clapian Evers Kembrick, Shadachi.
Iawn, diolch. O ti?
Da iawn. So, mi'r cewsol gennych chi ha mi dreheddes wrth Glavg Trelisk. Diolch i ti Simon.
Croeso.
Well, Fesa fi Olma Lemon, resident Maris Tapper Door car. Here's Simon. Llewellys. So, mi raid yr heddus wrth yn Glavg hag yn Kinsale, res yw ddim cafos clinic, hag yw res ddim cafos gŵls cymerus, ha prefys, hag yn yw war cannula yn o brech, Paris, rag chemotherapy. Oh, hag Glavg ores, oma. Hag, so, nesa tro ti ddim gwelys, yw ha mi o cafos gŵls cymerus o ddwrth o brech.
Hys the flex blend.
Mae'n Clavdiwrys o Cora and cannula in brech. Nins o fi surpethiw cannula in Cronark. A lemon yn monsi o Czechia o Holon ag gwasgaeth gŵls yn wedd.
We'll take the forms over the day before.
Ha lemon res yw ddim gwrthibi wrth lias gofyn rhag Czechia fatliw o bris a fatles o fi o cil so Mira heb ma pub termin mi the vols red clinic. Ag yn yr math, there's a fi o cymerus o Polster cymerus. Ag pigemes yw. Asol fi pools. So lemon a thes of fi in feddygfa rhag gwelys an meddyg. Dr Bryson Possinger ag ever a leferol fatal fi in yr yma mes na rafi ffilmi hedna tho Llewellys in Poles. So mi respenas term in gant Dr Possinger hag ever rig Czechia pub tra drold am corff hag leferol dim an nowodol drold am pithus o chwarfos gant ol dichtians. Hello.
Hiya.
Matthew Clark.
Okay, just check your date of birth, please.
26 April 1970.
That's lovely. Have a seat.
Okay, you're right. So, Fesovi Lemon in Headland Unit, mir resident Gorta Sopma, Biz Imprise, Hamio Kill Chemo. So, Nesatra in Stevelna or Kill Chemo.
Morning.
Okay.
Hello.
All right.
How are you?
Oh, okay.
You just check your temperature.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
So, mi re rig cafos tempreth checkers in Scovarn, Ninsers Covid Warnav, ha lemon, mors and tuna, rag chemo. Oh. Da you gen of Moors in Gornal.
Just sort yourself out there.
Oh, and dra you in Gornal, in my goal over the Worth and Fenestry. Hag, Mil Goslow as Orth and Radio in Gornal in Wales.
Yeah, the biggest thing. Okay.
So, Panrig Vila Veril of Vara, Bos Canula Goris in Brech, Go o Dreffen Bos, and Glavdioris, the Gomeris South Gouls Enna, Mes Lemon, a Thesavi in Headland Unit, Ag Eman Glavdioris Opma, O Thesai the Wara, Neb Canula, Brech, Decho.
Okay, just going to clean your skin.
Mahi o Clanhe o Crochen. Though Pobble Nagar mirrors off Skitchens, Residuki mirrors Nebleara.
Okay.
Yeah, still are, I'm fine, yeah. So, Henu and Canula. Grez Grez Intalu. Lemming Lou, a Viscus, Brogothak and Tazo in Skull. Ail to Canonebes. Can you sing that some?
Can I say, wow, I can only remember the first bit. Go Brothag and Tazo. And then you did the rest of it for me, didn't you?
The splan. Plan. Do you know how to say thank you in Cornish?
I don't.
Miraz.
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 Well, y Thesafi Lemon Paris hag Monzi o Czechia and Meddigneth. So Resi the Czechia Puovi in Kinsale.
Okay, Matthew, can we have your full name, date of birth, first line of address, please?
Matthew Stewart Clark.
6 milligrams in 2 mils per vial. All expired 2023, and I've got 5 vials, which is 40 milligrams.
Midden the Vintertay.
Oh, Miraz, Marpleg. So what's this going in there?
So this is chlorphenamine, so it's a bit like an antihistamine.
I've still got some Bourbons here, so
Right. Is that tea colour
Oh.
okay for you?
perfect.
Good. Okay.
All right.
I'll be back.
Okay, Miraz, thank you.
You're welcome.
Splan.
Splan. There's egg and cress, there's cheese and tomato, then turkey on brown. Yes, we'd like a banana and a yoghurt as well.
Can I have cake? I'd like cake.
No, we don't do cake, sadly.
I've been told to have lots of cake.
Oh, right. What's your treatment regime? Are you here for? Just give you anti-sickness.
Indra, you raised him the wheel. You Ava Mir Azor. Gans Hepna. The Alavia wheel Gans Mask. So, Resident Ava Mirazor. A Waspos Neb Mervigneth Henwis Manatol. Ra Ephathia and Duloneth. So resident Eva Hepna, mes ninju manatol mira levero menantol. Undra daldem gul, hamio kul hema eu mezira, pigemes pez aravi tremena, or passia. So resident Eusia hat. Menivero ena. So lemon. Resu Miseria henna. Oh, Mira heavy Andrei Nevinovi Kelly Gaza and the camera the Gulva in Bizva. Har resident Moors in Bizva Gans and Jin de Vera in Weth. Ooh, so Hunter Hedna, you Lenwiz in Irma. Oh yeah, on and learn. So Mirig Passia Ena in later Deu cans ha hunter. So yeah, fes loan of gans hedna. So an early August ha hunter was a pimp in Grothua ag Pyrogus eu the Warfena and Kima Salmont rag heddiw. Res you theva Chimeras the Vez and Cannula kins me the Allo Smalls tray. Hagam Coeth David Sharples o Cortos rag Readham Carrions Tro ha tre. Imma Conin Mares and Fenister Hammy and Clavgy. You keep a hag David Attenborough oma. Ne bon in a well sort in Weth.
That's all finished.
Termin eu Chimeras Mares and Cannula.
Take that one off.
Oh.
Yeah, pull a few of your arm hairs.
Neves Bleueno Tednes Ena.
Right. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Great, I know.
Oh.
Sometimes it's the worst bit, sometimes people say.
Yeah.
Nearly done. That's it. Right, last little sticky bit. There we go. Right, I was going to ask you to hold on to the...
Oh!
It could be a bit awkward.
Hen you all rag an chemo heddiw ag a thesafi old T-Barth and Headland unit, the Glavg Trelisk. I thought lemon a thesafi in hens. Tro ha tre, the worth Glavg Trelisk, was a dydd pyr here a chemo. Hag a fifth chemo bear in 8 dydd o tos. Mes residum leverel meras than Glavgiores, pub Glavgiores, the Headland unit, hag in wedd Simon Berta rig o rig o Gora than Glavgi, hag in wedd Miraz David Sharples Raglia Tre.
Welcome us.
Put welcome us.
Welcome us.
Yeah.
Welcome us.
Pure that. Ag pan ravi dreheddes o rangi me of in cavos nepith pyriskis the dibri hag enna malls in gwelly. Well, the thesavi tre lemon was chemo ag thesavi o peruzzi kinyo Reese ha Kigia in sauce green gwyn. And medical averus them bos in kilch chwath and tressa kilch hagena I ara mirrors orth and steve ha martesan was a hedna mos rag stem cell transplant pethu hedna in Cronach ag tho thesni chwath o cortos nuoddol dro the hedna mes bism prisna res au them poesa. Okay, mir raz a holia o chweddol and chemo heddiw.